Now it's time to secure our FCK editor to make sure that no one can upload any files to our server apart from us. If we go to FCKEditor folder, then go to the editor, file manager, connectors and PHP. Within this folder you'll find the file config. If you double click to open it, scroll down to the line 30 more or less, you'll find the config enabled equals false. With config enables equals false, we won't be able to use our file manager at all. So to change this, we should be changing this to true. However, by doing so, we are enabling access to file manager to anyone. So the best way to do it would be to secure this and do the condition actually, which checks whether the user has logged into the to the system, and if not, then we're gonna disable it. So first let's go back and open our login.php file. Copy the name of our session, which is username. Go back to the config.php, and before the config enabled, let's type our if condition. So if is set our session variable and our session variable doesn't equal blank, then we're going to enable our connector, else it's going to be disabled, which means it's going to be set to false. So if we copy the connector here and change its value to true. Now we also need to initiate the session variable, all the sessions. So if we copy this if isn't set session start from our login.php and paste it right at the beginning of the entire file. Now if we go to our system and login, if we go to edit any of the pages and click on our insert edit image button and click on a browse server, we can see that our file manager is enabled. We can create new folders, upload images to these folders and so on. So now if we copy the URL of the file manager and close it, open a new tab, paste it, you still can see it here. Now, because we still didn't create the logout function, we will have to simply clear the cache to make sure that all sessions has been cleared from the server. Now, if you refresh it, you can see that we cannot access this file manager because the connector is disabled. So now that we've finished with our FCK editor, in the next video we'll have a look at how to display the confirmation page after the page has been edited.